Hello, everyone. So today, I am playing FNAF VR. Today, we have a good friend, little glitchy boy. Hello. Today I was thinking of playing, good old Dark Rooms, specifically Plushtrap, because, well, you know why. But before we do that, I need to get my, support roach. Alright, support roach in hand. We got our support roach. Oh, and he's gone. Okay. That's always fun. Yeah. Plushtrap. Let's go. Not gonna lie. I'm a bit of a child, huh? They made you small. You were a lot bigger before. Alright. So I'm just gonna wait. Oh, there you go, he moved. That's always fun. Okay, he's moved again. Okay, we got this. Yeah, I can do it. See? See? I can do it. See? Yes. God, you are huge. Oh. Okay, yeah, I did it. Please, Plushtrap, no. Oh. Isn't that dandy? Nice. Hey, what's up? I'm back. As you saw in the last video, today, well, you didn't see it. As I said in the last video, today I'm going to be making a Plushtrap. Little life-size Plushtrap. I guess there's not really much more to say, so I guess might as well just start printing, I guess. Alright, so like usual, I printed everything off screen. But unlike usual, I run out of filament, so for now we're just gonna have to do for the parts that I've got now. I guess I'll show you the most interesting of the few. The head. So here he is. The head. It's about the same size as me. Maybe a bit bigger. Pretty cool. The head part comes off, so yeah, this little lad. So these are all separate parts, just currently friction fitted, but you'll see. We'll glue them together later on. You got the torso, printed in white, because again, I started running out of filament, so I had to use some white. We also have the hips. Nice little hips there. They also have little things that just go inside each leg, but they're not done yet, because again, all I've done is printed them, so, give me time, come on. Over the hands, sorry, not the arms. The hands, and the endoskeletons inside, so, I'll show you that. Nice little endoskeleton there. We also have an ear. That's pretty cool. I think that's the right one. Might be the left, not sure. But, yeah, got a nice little ear. I think these are the biceps. Yeah, the little biceps there. We have the left ear. But, yeah. So that's all the parts I have currently printed out. Still have to wait, I think, another week before the new filament comes. So, yeah. For now, I guess let's start sanding and painting them all. Alright, so the filament's just arrived. So now I can start printing out all the other parts.
Okay, so to begin, I'm going to be painting everything on the inside, including the exoskeleton, black. So now I'm going to go over the exoskeleton with a layer of silver paint to give it that metallic sheen. And now he's done. I now have my very own Plushtrap.